Hey there, I'm Karen Key Smith, and I know you're already planning on coming to our holiday open house at Top Secret Headquarters, but let me tell you a little more about it. I'm super excited because El Weirdo Taco Truck is going to be there. Y'all, I'm sorry, I would get them to come for their name alone. Anybody that has the name El Weirdo in their name, they're my buddy. But they have the most hilarious little commercials. So if you've not seen them, go to them on Facebook and check them out. So El Weirdo will be here that day. Okay, another thing that's going to happen that day, which is one of my favorites, is Rick, the 38 Oyster Guy. Oh my gosh, if you've not been a part, I don't care if you don't like oysters, it doesn't matter. That's inconsequential. The thing is, you got to be here and watch him entertain you. It's so awesome. It makes you want to eat oysters. Seriously, he's great. So he'll be here shucking oysters, giving us, I think sometimes he has the smoked ones. We may have those too. We're also going to have Bookies Fish Camp. Actually, it's going to be Bookies breakfast and lunch camp that day, and it's going to be awesome. He is a favorite of everyone's. I'm going to have the Panama City Beach coffee guy here. Oh my gosh, love his cold brew. He is amazing. And for those of you that love music, and I know you do, the Will Thompson Band, y'all, seriously, they're going to be here. So from 12 to 5 on December the 8th, I want to see all your beautiful faces here at Top Secret Headquarters. And we'll have 3 little elves walking around where you can gladly give of your abundance to one of our favorite charities. I can't wait to tell you more about that. Thanks for visiting us.